各位老铁、各位兄弟们，今天出行的时候选择了另外一种交通工具，那就是在泰国这边很流行的摩托车。就大家看到的这个摩托车跟四轮车是在路上一块跑的。先体验一下这种方式。Okay, hello guys. Today I'm trying a different way to go out. That is taking the motorbike. Yeah. As we can see, basically the motorbike is running on the road together with the car. So I'm feeling a little bit nervous because this is my first time to take such a to choose such a way to go out. Yeah. So right now my feeling is actually the speed of the motorbike is quite fast, even faster than the car, and also they can insert and escape on the road. So maybe I have some word to narrative this situation. I think the first word I want to talk about is confidence. It means for the car driver, he or she should be he or she must be confident because the motorbike may just stuck in at any time, any place. So you're gonna be confident, or otherwise there may be a lot of problem on the road, I think. And for the motorbike driver, the word I want to use on them is less confident. I think it should be a high driving skill. You can see right now. Basically, we are on the left lane, but the driver is trying to run into the right lane. So, but at the meantime, there is a car coming from that direction. And here the location here is the city center. And if we go to the rural area or the road, like some kind of like a high-speed road, the automobile may run faster than the EV car, even much faster. So I was shocked the first time I saw the motorbike run so quickly on the road. And yes, even there are a lot of car on the road. They just stuck in and escape, and speed up and take over the car like this, so it always can move faster than the car on the road. So a motorbike, automobile is very popular in Thailand. So the distance of my destination is about 6 kilometers away, and the cost for taking a motorbike is half. It's about half of the car, and the disadvantage for taking a motorbike is you're gonna enclose under the sunlight. If the sunlight is strong, you're gonna be very hot, feeling very hot. So I think we will go to a main road. Frankly speaking, I'm a little bit nervous, especially when we run on the main road, because there are a lot of cars on the road and everyone will run so quickly, drive so quickly. So I think in many countries, for example in China, the motorbike is not allowed to run on the mainland, which are mainly designed for the car. You see that motorbike runs really fast, super fast. And we can see motorbike everywhere. Yeah, motorbike running everywhere. It goes quite fast. Yeah. So now we even take over the car on the road. You see, yeah. Anyway, I feel like we are taking some venture, and I'm taking some venture for this. You see, we take over the car, so actually the speed of the motorbike is faster than the car. And as you can see, we were stuck or insert in the cab between two cars on the road, and then we take over them in this way. So that's why I said for the car driver, I can see most of them go in this way. So for the car driver, you're gonna be confident because you don't know when you will have a motorbike just insert in front of you. So if you don't, if you are not so confident enough, okay, you may have a trouble on the road like this. See, I think the driver want to take over the car in this way. Okay, we'll just keep on going, even there is a red light in front. Yeah, so mostly if there is a traffic jam on the road, the motorbike will just keep on running on the cab within the car. So they don't need to stop. It will take less time to arrive at your destination in this way. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Kai. So here I am. I already arrived at my destination, and the motorbike which I took already left. So now I just want to share my feeling of this special experience. Yes, of course, this is the first time I'm taking such a way to go out. Um, so, frankly speaking, I'm a little bit nervous, but at the same time, a little bit excited because the one thing is the motorbike runs quite fast on the road, and on the other hand, there are a lot of cars on the roads. So both car and motorbike running fast on the road, and actually this is not allowed in many countries, especially in China. The motorbike isn't allowed to run on the main road together with the car because it's too dangerous. But here in Thailand, you can see basically the car and the motorbike are all running on the main street or main road. Even it is a road, some kind of high-speed road, we can see that the motorbike can run on this kind of road, and most importantly, their speed is really super fast. Yeah. So yeah, can you see this? It really runs so fast. It just stuck insert in the gap between two different lanes in this way. Yeah. So the motorbike will go faster than the car. So anyway, this is quite a unique experience for me, and I know it is quite normal and quite popular here, and I'm really convinced by the driving skill of the motorbike, also the driving skill of the car driver. yeah, the car driver. Because in many countries, if we allow this kind of thing, I believe there are a lot of traffic problem on the road. But here in Thailand, everything is good. It's some kind of a harmony a harmony situation, and everyone uh, can stay together. Yes, so very good. But I think it is okay for a short distance of driving. Um, but for a long distance, I don't suggest this way because anyway, I still think it's a little bit dangerous. Eh, So yeah, so this is my first experience to take a motorbike to go to my destination. It's about 6 kilometers away, and everything goes fine. So I'm now in my destination, and I will yes, shift to the metro station, the metro line. So I'm gonna finish this record of video, and wish you guys like my video. And so thank you. Bye. See you next time.